Story in the news tonight about women in the workplace and the law. We've all seen them while sitting in the waiting room at the doctor's office. They come and go, briefcases full of free samples, famous for leaving behind those free pens and notepads. They are the drug company representatives. And for a lot of women in this country, it's good, flexible, lucrative work. But a lot of people are about to learn it can also be a sexual discrimination nightmare for some women in that job. Here in New York today, a federal jury hit the drug company Novartis with a multi-million-dollar damage verdict, the largest of its kind. Our report on the fallout tonight from our justice correspondent, Pete Williams.
For 7 years, Amy Velez was on the front lines for drug giant Novartis, a sales representative promoting the company's products to doctors. But she says everything changed when she came back from maternity leave.
Right away, I noticed a hostile, environment, hostility emanating from my manager, and the disparity of treatment that he gave not only to me, but some of my other female teammates.
Today, a federal jury awarded her and 11 other women $250 million, finding that Novartis managers systematically discriminated against them in pay and promotions. Another trial witness claimed her boss showed pornography and invited female employees to sit on his lap. The verdict opens the door to more than 5,500 other women who claim discrimination at Novartis. They can now seek back pay and other damages, and some legal experts say that could cost the company more than $500 million, making this one of the largest sex discrimination cases ever to go to trial. In a written statement, Novartis strongly disputed the claims, insisting that it sets high standards for employee diversity and inclusion. Novartis noted that it's been listed for 10 years by one magazine as a top company for working mothers. But a lawyer for one of its former employees says the attitude at Novartis is still common in corporate America and that today's verdict should teach a lesson.
Equal employment opportunity laws are important, and that the American people will not tolerate having their wives and their mothers discriminated against in the workplace.
Look in here and get your homework out.
Amy Velez now works for another company, but she says she hopes her legal battle encourages other women who face discrimination on the job to fight back. Pete Williams, NBC News, Washington.